Hey YouTube, so not everybody has access to a washing machine. I know I don't. So if you are ever can't afford a laundromat or don't have access to one, then here's a way to wash your clothes off the grid. So what you gotta do is get yourself a black trash bag and then fill it up with your clothes. So I got my clothes in the black trash bag, so now I'm gonna pour some detergent in there. See? Okay. There we go, much better. Now I'm gonna find a water source. Oh, yay, I found a spigot. Let's see if it has water. Oh, yes. So, put the black trash bag under the water and let it fill up. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, that's heavy. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this thing around a little bit. Swish it in there. Scrub. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to poke a hole in it to let the dirty water drain. Okay, now my clothes are really soapy, so I'm gonna go in for the rinse cycle. Put some more water in there. and let it drain. Make sure this water gets all through it. Now take that bag and tie it to something, and poke some holes, and spin it around. This is your spin cycle. The only thing left to do now, folks, is hang it up. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. Now you can speed up the drying process by putting it under the hand dryer like I showed you. And let's just leave it like this all day and all night. And there you go, got some clean clothes in the van. If you like my tips, be sure to subscribe. Peace out.